Have you ever looked at your bank account after a month of non-stop, exhausting hard work and realized that if you just took off another 4 weeks, your entire income stream would grind to a complete halt? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Most driven professionals, small business owners, and ambitious hard workers are caught in what I call the high performance trap. You work harder, you take on more responsibility, you trade more hours for money, and yet you never actually gain true ownership over your time. Working hard is honorable, but hard work alone does not equal ownership. Real ownership comes from building a system, an asset that works for you, whether you are sitting at your desk, spending quality time with your family, or traveling the world. Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. So great to have you here. Today we are chatting about something that can truly shift the way you look at earning an income online in a real, simple and sustainable way. Now, I'm Lynette Badenhorst from Van der Bout Park, South Africa, and for the past 10 plus years, I've been helping entrepreneurs, business owners and professionals create recurring income online without selling, stocking or pushing products. I guide people through a powerful hybrid financial platform that helps them build long-term recurring income, break free from debt, reduce stress, and take back control of their lives. If you haven't grabbed it yet, I've put together a free guide to help you to get started. 3 steps to build an asset-based wealth strategy. And the link is www.lynettebadenhorst.com/3 steps. I spell my name LINNETTEBADENHORST.com/3 steps. If you are watching live or the replay, pop 3 steps in the comments to get my guide free of charge. Also, if you're watching the replay, drop a hashtag replay in the comments. I'd love to shout you out and say hello when I get there. Now, welcome to my Freedom Friday Live, and a warm welcome to my guests joining in today. A high five to Gloria and Peter and Cheryl and all the other regulars. Your support means a lot to me. I hope you enjoy the time with me and walk away with valuable insights that can help you make confident decisions about your financial future. But let's address the elephant in the room. Why do so many intelligent, capable, hard-working professionals feel stuck? From an early age, we were taught a single economic formula. Go to school or university, get great qualifications and build a business, run a practice, manage a corporation or operate a traditional business. Your income relies entirely on your personal capacity. If you take time off, your income stops or decreases. If you slow down, the business slows down. That is linear income. You trade 1 hour of your life for a fixed amount of currency. I want to repeat that. You are trading 1 hour of your life for a fixed amount of currency. It doesn't matter how much you earn per hour, it's still fixed. The problem is not your work ethic. The problem is the architecture of linear income. When all your earnings depend on your personal horsepower, you don't own a business or a career. It owns you. So, what do top financial strategists and smart professionals do differently? They simply shift their focus from earning an income to building an asset. But let's break down the difference. In linear income, you work once, you get paid once. Stop working, stop getting paid. Asset-based income, you put in an effort to establish the proven system once, and that system continues to generate value and predictable recurring returns month after month, year after year. Imagine planting an oak tree. In the first few months, you spend time watering it, caring for it, and protecting it. You don't see immediate shade or shelter. But because you planted the seed in fertile soil and kept caring for it, that tree grows deep roots. Years down the line, that tree provides shade automatically without you having to hold up an umbrella every single day. That is what a true recurring asset looks like. And here's the best part. You don't have to quit your day job, risk your family savings, or reinvent the wheel to start building one. The key is joining a predictable, established 10-plus-year-old system that operates on simple, leverageable principles. But I'm sure you're now thinking, Lynette, I'm busy. I don't have time to run another full-time business. You are not looking to add another 40-hour-a-week job to your already overwhelmed calendar. That would defeat the entire purpose of seeking time freedom. The beauty of building an asset through DuPoint is that it is designed specifically for busy entrepreneurs and professionals. It thrives on leverage, not endless labor. You don't need a massive block of hours. You need consistent, highly focused pockets of time. Just a few hours a week directed entirely towards high leverage activities rather than administrative busy work. Or you might think, Lynette, I'm not a salesperson. I don't know how to sell products, push stock, or manage inventory. Now, let's take a deep breath, because you won't be doing any of that. The traditional network marketing model of stacking boxes of product in your garage, harassing your friends at dinner parties, and acting as a door-to-door salesperson is completely obsolete. With DuPoint, you are not selling physical goods, handling deliveries, or managing logistics. Your role is simple and professional. Sharing information, connecting people to a powerful digital platform, and guide them through a proven system. On the other hand, my question to you is, can a platform make building an asset online easier? I believe with all my heart that DuPoint, as an established system, makes building an asset significantly easier compared to starting a traditional online business from scratch. Simply because it eliminates the hardest part of traditional business. You don't have to handle product development, build website, manage compliance, or deal with administration, or even get a license to trade. All of that back-end infrastructure is already fully provided and supported for you when you access DuPoint's platform. You simply focus on connecting people, leveraging a 10-year track record, and following a clear step-by-step track. Another concern is maybe your biggest concern, but what if I try and fail? And it's completely normal to fear to creep in when you are stepping outside of the familiar 9 to 5 box. But let's flip that question around. What if you try and succeed? What if you become more capable, more resilient, and more financially secure than you ever thought possible? A system like Dewpoint is simply a tool. In isolation, a tool do nothing. But in the hands of a skilled operator, someone equipped with the right training, mentorship, and mindset, it changes lives. The proof is all around us. Individuals who faced sequestration have rebuilt their circumstances and now live a lifestyle of choice. Professionals who were unexpectedly retrenched found stability and are now earning more than ever before. People who started with nothing have used this exact framework to permanently alter their family's trajectory. When you combine a robust 10-plus-year-old proven platform with your own determination, the fear of failure begins to shrink, replaced by the steady momentum of compounding success. Simplicity beats complexity every time. You don't need to reinvent the wheel or build a complex enterprise from scratch. You just need to follow the track, stay consistent, and let a proven system work for you. Dewpoint operates as a fully compliant FSCA-regulated financial platform. FSCA stands for Financial Service Conduct Authority. That is the watchdog that is protecting the consumer's interest. It's fully compliant with their regulations. Dewpoint is a seamless hybrid system where your only role is to connect people to a platform that offers valuable, essential financial services and daily wealth building tools. If you do this, then the fear of failure disappears when you simply use a proven plug-and-play blueprint. You do not need to be a digital marketing expert, a salesperson, or a financial advisor. We are not paid to recruit or advise anybody. We simply share information. You don't need to learn all there is about the products because you're not selling any products. You simply share information about this wealth creation system with as many people as possible. And if you are serious about changing your financial future, that is something anyone can do. You don't need to build websites, design marketing materials, or invent systems from scratch. For over a decade, this platform has provided the infrastructure, administration, training, and back-end management. You simply follow a structured, step-by-step track designed for busy people who only have a few hours a week to dedicate towards their long-term financial freedom. When you remove inventory risks, eliminate hard selling, and leverage a 10-plus year track record, the risks drop dramatically, leaving you free to focus on steady, consistent growth. Imagine where you could be in 12, 24, 36 months from now if you start laying the foundation for your asset today. Having an extra recurring cash flow that pays your monthly household expenses or clear debt automatically. Being able to take a month-long holiday with your family without checking your work emails every 10 minutes. Or having peace of mind that comes from knowing your family's future is secured by a lasting asset, not just your next paycheck. This isn't about getting rich overnight or looking for a fast and easy fix. Real assets takes consistent step-by-step action to construct. But when you build on a reliable foundation, every single unit of effort you invest builds compound momentum for your future. If you are ready to stop trading all your time for money and want to see the exact framework for building a sustainable recurring asset, drop a comment right below, right now, or send me a private message saying Blueprint. I will personally reach out and share how our system works. But before we wrap up, just a quick reminder. If you are enjoying these Freedom Friday sessions and you want even more tools to help you break free from the 9 to 5 grind, make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery. I share weekly tips, insights, and simple strategies that help you build real recurring income and create your own version of financial freedom. And don't forget, you can also download my 3 steps to build an asset-based wealth strategy, my online business blueprint, where I show you the exact blueprint I use to build recurring income online. Grab it here, https://www.lynettebaardenhorst.com/free-steps. Just hit the subscribe button on YouTube and tap the bell so you never miss a new session. Even when lives get busy, you will always have step-by-step guidance right at your fingertips. And of course, feel free to like, love, and follow and share this live broadcast with someone who needs to hear this message today. You can also visit my blog, lynettebaardenhorst.com/blogs, for more helpful content, just like this. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, I host daily wealth mastery sessions on Zoom. In just 15 to 20 minutes, I walk you through the entire unique business concept, show you how the platform operates, and then open up the floor so you can ask your questions live in a relaxed, no-pressure environment. It's quick, clear, and designed to give you total transparency. If you like to jump on one of these daily 15-minute sessions with me, simply send me a direct message right now with the word Zoom link, and I will send the link straight to your inbox. Now, before we wrap up today's broadcast, let me quickly revisit what we gathered here on this Freedom Friday. We talked about the high performance trap, the reality that most hardworking professionals and business owners, hard work alone does not equal ownership. If your income halts the moment you step away from your desk, you don't own a self-sustaining asset. You own a demanding schedule. Real-time freedom happens when you shift your focus from simply earning an income to building a system that belongs to you in perpetuity. That means whatever you've done in your lifetime, you can transfer to your spouse or your children, unlike what you can do in your job. And as we broke down today, you don't need endless hours. You just need consistent, focused pockets of time. You don't need to be a salesperson. You aren't stocking products, managing inventory, or pushing goods onto anyone. And you don't need to fear starting from scratch. You don't have to build websites or invent business models. Your only role is to simply share information about an established 10-year-old hybrid financial platform with as many people as possible. If you are truly serious about altering your family's financial trajectory, that is something anyone can do. When people ask, "What if I fail?" I want you to start asking yourself a far more powerful question. What if you try and succeed? What if you become more capable, more resilient, and more financially secure than you ever thought possible? A system on its own is just a tool, but when placed in the hands of a determined person who is willing to learn, it changes lives. We see it every single day. People rebuilding their lives after tough financial times, individuals recovering from retrenchments, and ordinary families creating an enduring lifestyle of choice. You do not have to figure this out alone, and you do not have to sacrifice your current career to begin. Your journey towards true time freedom starts with a single, deliberate decision to build something that lasts. Thank you so much for joining me this Freedom Friday. I hope today left you feeling encouraged, empowered, and ready to take the next step towards financial freedom. Recurring income truly is the gateway to freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. Start where you are. Stay consistent and let it grow one step at a time. Your journey to financial independence starts with a single decision. Make that decision today. Take action and know that I'm here to walk the journey with you. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent, and remember, build once and forever. Bye for now.